So today we will learn that what is mole. So mole is basically substance, mass of substance expressed in grams. It can be molecular mass, atomic mass, whatever the mass expressed in grams, or you can say the molar mass is this known as 1 mole. For example, 1 mole of carbon is equals to 12 grams. 1 mole of calcium is equals to 40 grams. So amount of substance, or you can say the atomic mass, molecular mass, formula mass, whatever mass you are having expressed in grams is known as 1 mole. So now let's look at it. In 1 mole, how many atoms or how many particles, how many molecules, or simply how many entities are present. So in 1 mole, Avogadro's number is present. Now what is this Avogadro's number? This is 6.02 exponential power 23. So in 1 mole of anything, these number of atoms, particles, or simply you can say entities will be present. For example, if I'm talking about 1 mole of water, which is a compound, have 6.02 exponential power 23 molecules. So now it is clear that what is mole? Amount of substance, or you can say simply consider the molar mass of substance is known as mole, or you can say that atomic mass, molecular mass, formula mass expressed in grams is known as mole. And mole can be defined like that it is equal to Avogadro's number, which is 6.02 exponential power 23 entities. It's quite simple that if we write entities in general, entities, this is notes that there can be molecules, atoms, or ions too, whatever they can be anything. So now we will look at the formula that how to find the number of moles. So we have formula like N is equal to given mass divided by atomic mass, or it can be molecular mass or formulas, whatever you feel. So now for example, I have to find number of moles of glucose. Formula of glucose is 6H12O6. Okay, and I am given, for example, I'm given 9 gram, and I have to find that how many moles are present in 9 gram of glucose. So I have formula N is number of moles, given is 9. Now here atomic mass will not come, here molecular mass, or you can say mass of compound will be divided. Okay, the mass of glucose is 180. So the number of moles are 0.05 mole. So in 9 gram of glucose, 0.05 mole is present. Next problem is that if we want to find the number of atoms or number of molecules or number of ions in a given compound, so what will be the formula of that? So first of all, for example, number of atoms is equal to given mass multiplied by Na, which is Avogadro's number, and I have talked about this earlier, and divided by molecular mass or atomic mass, formula mass, whatever you feel like the compound is or the element is, molecular mass. So for example, I want to find that, for example, the given mass is 50 gram and the compound is C12O11H22. C12O11H22 is the formula of sugar. So if I'm given 50 gram of sugar and I have to find that how many number of atoms are present in that 50 grams. First of all, I have to find the number of moles. But you can do this simply here too. The number of atoms, given mass is 50, molecular mass of sugar is 342 multiplied by Na, which is 6.02 exponential power 23. So when we will divide this both, we will get the answer 0.146 multiplied by 6.02 exponential power 23. And when we will multiply these both, we'll get the answer like number of molecules, you can say, in the sugar are 8.7 exponential power 23 molecules.